Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and in this video we're going to be using the chart for Tesla to understand how to appreciate levels where we can find some type of swing trade change in direction. All right, let's begin with Tesla's daily chart, and I'm going to be addressing this reversal here and take a stab at this one again purely from an educational standpoint. So let's begin with this reversal area here about 900 all the way back. So here under 900, and it's come all the way back to about 1100. So a big swing trade over the last week or so. All right, let's go to that reversal area. And of course, the area I'm talking about, just to be clear, is this reversal here. So what we're going to do is let's go back to the lows right there. And here we can see that there was a type of a movement above this area here. So this RSI movement right there captures the lows of May 2021. So we're going to take that RSI level and extend it out. Should be something like that. Now, if you squint, you'll see that there was a support here, which is early June. And we can see that over the last week or so, we went below the black line and back above it with uniform action. And based on that concept, this is the reversal area, a good swing trade entry. Now, this is based on my concept or my researched concept, which I call uniformity. In other words, anytime once you establish this line here, anytime you have uniform activity support on the line, it tends to be a reversal area. All right, good enough. Oh, by the way, there are going to be links in the description explaining this method in details if you are interested. Lots of YouTube videos that I've made discussing this concept. All right, so we've captured this low here. Now let's take a look at this area here in the here and now. All right, so what we're going to do is figure out where we recently pulled back. So there's a line here. We can draw it a search. So this RSI breakpoint in early December corresponds with this movement. And of course, we get a swing trade down from that area. So, all right. So take that breakpoint, extend it out. And you can see that we are back to test that area. And so, from a swing trade perspective, we understand now that the more this is being confirmed as resistance, then the more it means that the next meaningful swing trade for Tesla is down. Now, with a qualification or understanding that clearance of this line actually means higher prices if it can clear the blue line. So that's one way of looking at it. Based on my uniformity concept, seems like there's a challenge or resistance area there or a breakout. Now, there's another way to arrive at resistance around this current area here, and it's based on a simple RSI line connecting recent RSI lows. So we take the lows here, connect to these lows, extend it out. And again, you can see that this is where we broke the trend line here of December, early December highs. And now this is also looking like it could be an area of resistance unless it can move above this area here. And of course, it is confirmed by the prior line as such. So the blue and the red line are currently suggesting from a swing trade perspective, from an educational perspective, that the next meaningful direction is down or it is up. If we can clear these two lines, then we can get a continuation move higher. Right now looks like resistance. This is also confirmed by the 4 hourly. So the 4 hourly for Tesla. And here also we can see the similar conclusion. This is where we broke down recently. And so we can use that information, this break. We haven't been back to those levels since early December. And now if we take the uniformity line, we can see that the market seems to be aware of this area and reacting to it with resistance. So without more information, this is suggesting from a swing trade perspective, the next meaningful direction is down based on the 4 hourly. And to qualify this again, 4 hourly, of course it's Tesla, and RSI setting here, to be clear, is 26. So right now, suggesting that as long as this is confirmed as resistance, the next meaningful direction is down. If Tesla is to move higher in the beginning part of 2022, it would need to clear this line so it can have an opportunity of going higher. And again, one more last time, right now based on these observations, it seems like the next meaningful swing trade is for a move down. We shall see what happens. Whatever happens is going to be something we can look back and understand how the technical aspects of an instrument setup determine its next major swing trade direction. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite Creator. Go forth therefore rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one Creator, Adonai.